Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you the basic setup of GMAW, gas metal arc welding. It is also called as metal inert gas MIG welding, metal inert gas welding, MIG welding. So in GMAW or MIG welding, we need one welding gun. See, I am having one welding gun in my hand. We need one welding gun, cable assembly. So this is our cable assembly. We need wire feeding mechanism. This is our wire feeding mechanism. So we need wire feeding mechanism. One power source. Here we have one power source, and finally we need one shielding gas. This is our shielding gas. So basically we need 5 things: welding gun, cable assembly, wire feeding mechanism, power source, and shielding gas. See, MIG welding is it can be used in all commercially important metals like copper, carbon steel, titanium, aluminium, copper. It can be used in all these metals. It is very useful. See, unlike shielded metal arc welding, in MIG welding we do not need to change our electrode every time. In MIG welding we have a continuously filler. We have a filler metal which can be fed continuously. See, this is our feeding mechanism, and with the help of this feeding mechanism we feed the filler metal. Arc is generated between this filler metal and workpiece, and with the help of that arc, heat is produced and welding takes place. So I will show you the power source. This is our power source, and in power source mainly we do have 2 indicators or 2 digital displays. One is for current and second one is for volts. Current unit of current is ampere and unit of voltage is volts. So these 2 indicators are for current and volts. And one more important thing, polarity. In this machine we have 2 terminals. See, one terminal is here and second one is here. Here if you can see, one plus mark is given and this side minus mark is given. So when we use our machine in direct current, that is DC, this terminal acts as positive and this terminal is for negative terminal. So normally we do our welding in direct current electrode positive, DCEP polarity. It is also called as reverse polarity. Means this electrode or welding gun is connected with the positive terminal and workpiece is connected with the negative terminal. So that is DCEP, direct current electrode positive. And one more thing, this shielding gas. This is our shielding gas. This shielding gas is used to protect our molten weld pool. Molten weld pool is protected with the help of this shielding gas. It makes a layer. It makes a layer on the molten weld pool, and thus it protects it from external atmosphere and helps in prevention of oxidation of the weld pool. So this is our shielding gas. Normally we use argon, helium or CO2 or a mixture of these gases also. Argon, helium, CO2 or a mixture of argon or helium or a mixture of argon or CO2 also can be used. So this is our basic setup of MIG welding. One more thing, I will show you our feeding mechanism. This is our filler wire spool, and we have a knob over here. When we press this knob, our filler metal will come out like this. So you can see this filler metal is coming out and this wire spool is rotating. It rotates and this filler metal comes out and welding takes place. Unlike shielded metal arc welding where we have to change our electrode continuously. So hence we can produce long weld with faster speed with the help of GMAW. Why? Because we do not need to change our electrode every time. So it has advantage over shielded metal if we consider wire speed and longer welding. One more thing, the deposition rate of MIG welding is high as compared to shielded metal arc welding. Deposition rate is higher as if we compare shielded metal arc welding. So I hope I have explained this basic setup of MIG welding. Now I'll show you how this welding takes place. I'll show you how arc is generated. So friends, as I told you, arc is generated between this filler metal and workpiece. So I'm having my welder Mr. Arvind Kumar. He will show you how this arc is generated. We have connected this electrode gun with the positive terminal, and here we have a scrap piece. This is connected with the negative terminal, and Mr. Arvind Kumar will show you how the arc is generated, and he will show you a little bit welding also. So friends, you can see the this weld bit. My welder Mr. Arvind Kumar has done this for just for demonstration purpose. This is our vertical welding. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.